Welcome to Mora FC. I will appreciate your time. Thank you for clicking on this video. This is just a beautiful page that you can put your money, you can put your phone, you can put your pencils inside, you can put your makeup inside. So let's get started. You need to get your fabric and your lining. This is the lining and the fabric, and you have to get the facing, so you have to give the nice iron on the main fabric. So I measure 8.5 inches, and this is 7.5 inches, and that is 1.5. If you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe, give me a thumbs up, like and share, click on the notification bell so anytime I post something, you get a message, you get notified that I post something. You have to make sure that your lining and your main fabric have the same sizes. Yeah, so I measure 1 inch at that part, 1 inch at that part to form an 90 degrees, 1 inch to form an 90 degrees. This is 1.5, like I said, so you just have to fold it. Don't forget to subscribe, give me a thumbs up, like and share, and comment, tell me what you think. So I measure 1/2 inch from that angle. I do the same 1/2 inch at that angle, so I draw a straight line. The same thing to the other part. Then I trim it out, I cut it out. So don't forget to subscribe, give me a thumbs up, like and share, click on the notification bell if you are feeling it. If you love this video, this is 5 inch. Yep, and that is 8.5. So I just have to cut an inch out. So I just have to put the other fabric. When you put it on it, you're gonna see that there will be an access. So you just have to cut it out. Cut the access out. When you cut that part out as well. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share, comment. Give me a thumbs up. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Support. Click on the notification bell if you are new to this channel, and if you have already click on it, just comment and like and share, give me a thumbs up. You know what it is. Show support. Small YouTubers, show support. So you have to do the same thing with the lining. Like I said, the lining and the fabrics have to get the same sizes. So wait for me, let me cut it out and show you how it will turn out to be. So as I cut it out, this is how it is. The lining and the fabric have the same size. So this is my handle. Measure 1.5, then you fold it in, form your handle. So let's get to the sewing machine. You take your zip, put the facing of the zip to the facing of the main fabric, and put your lining on top. Then you sew. Again, put the facing of the zip to the facing of the fabric and put the lining on top. And sew on top. Pin it. You gotta pin it. This is how it will turn out to be. You do the same thing to the other fabric. You have to pin it to make sure you're doing everything accurately. Otherwise, it will come out wrongly. But hey, don't forget to subscribe if you have not subscribed yet. If you have not given me a thumbs up, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to share. Don't forget to like and comment. The other people want to learn how to do sewing. So if you are not even interested, you can even share it for other people to benefit. Support. Tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend about Mora FC. So after you have finished, you just have to sew on. Yeah, you fix everything right. Then you sew on top of it. Very easy step, easy purse or easy pouch to do. You can put your money, your phone, your coins, your car key, your house key, whatever you feel like putting inside. It's all yours. Your makeup, you can put whatever you feel like putting inside. So when your top stitches are, you're going to get on. So you put the line at one side, you put the main fabric at one side. As you can see how I did it. The main fabrics are one side and the lining are also on one side. So you're going to sew this part, leave the angle. You sew this part, leave the angle, and sew below and sew that part. So watch me do it. Yeah, you can see I sew and leave the angle. I'm gonna do the same thing to the lining. By the lining and the below, you're gonna leave a space there. So when you sew, you don't have to sew on top of the zip yet. Just come below at where the zip is and just start sewing. But don't sew where the 90 degrees is. Don't go and sew at that part. You have to leave that part open. And at the lining, you just have to leave a space. You don't have to sew at the bottom. You can see how I leave a space and I jump to 1 inch. Then I'm going to sew this part. You just have to sew closer to where the zip is. Don't go and sew on top of the zip. We are not there yet. So this is the handle. I just sew on top of the handle. So you can see you leave a space there. So you just have to pull your zipper inside the opening. You have to leave your zip open. You have to leave your zip open. When you are putting your handle, you have to put the handle on top of the zipper, on top of the zipper, and you have to pin it. And you think that you can't pin it, you just have to hold it firm and sew on top. Don't forget to subscribe, thumbs up, like and share, and give me a comment. Click on notification bells anytime I post something. You're gonna get a message that you're gonna be notified that I post something. So you can see how I'm taking my time fixing everything to get everything accurately. So after that, we're gonna sew on top both the lining and the plain fabric on top of the zipper. This I'm sewing on top with both the lining together. that part you gotta sew both the lining and the main fabric together. So we have to close the space that was left there. Just have to open it up, it fixes right, then you sew on top. Don't forget to subscribe, give me a thumbs up, like and share, comment, tell me what you think. You do the same thing to the other side. You open up the space and just close it down. You're gonna do the same thing with the lining as well. Tell a friend to tell a friend about Moriah FC, show support. So this is how we have done, we're actually done. That's how it is. So we're gonna flip it in through the lining. If your zip is closed, you will not be able to do this. You can't even flip it in unless your zip is open. So we flip everything now. We have done. This is how the purse or the pouch look like. You can put your money, your phone, your car key, whatever that you feel like you can put it inside. You just have to put it inside, you know. If you think that the size is too small for you, you just have to add the extra to make it big to your preference. You understand? You see how beautiful it turned out to be. So simple, so beautiful. Yeah, we're done. This is how it looks like. We're done. Thank you for watching. Thank you for supporting. Thank you for liking it. Thank you for commenting it. Thank you for sharing. Thank you for subscribing. But hey, it's like left to one thing. We didn't close the space that was left in the lining. We close it down. Otherwise, if you put something inside, you're gonna go inside the lining and you cannot be looking for it, you can't find it. So we close that place out. After closing that place out, that is the final thing. We are done. Totally done. So thank you for subscribing, thank you for liking it, thank you for sharing it, thank you for commenting it. Thanks for your support, I really appreciate that. We have done.